Hey guys, here is how to easily install mods in Hytale. Hytale hasn't even been out for a day and there are already tons of mods like advanced item info, vein miner-like mods, set home command, and even a full Skyblock experience. To install mods, Google CurseForge. Here, just download the software. You can choose the standalone version. Now let's just install it, and you will be greeted by this screen. Here, CurseForge should have already automatically detected your Hytale game. If it hasn't, you can go into settings and click the plus icon to scan a specific storage drive or manually add the game. We can find the location of the game by searching for Hytale in the Windows taskbar, right-clicking on it, opening its file location, and from here, open its file location again. Now you can copy the path to here from the Windows Explorer or from the properties of Hytale's launcher, and now just add it to the CurseForge. Now under Hytale, in CurseForge, you can also get to the game's files easily by clicking on 3 dots up here and selecting Open Mods folder. If you are used to Minecraft, getting to the game's files is very similar. You can just search for app data like this with % symbols. And here find the Hytale folder. Then click on User Data, and here you will be able to find the Mods folder where we can also manually install mods. To manually install mods, you can just find .jar files on the internet and add them into this folder, unless the mod has specific requirements. But of course, we can also just install mods the easy way in CurseForge. First, click on the Scan Mods folder function. If you installed any mods manually, now here, just click on Browse, and we can even sort by popularity. I will install some cool mods here. Once the mods are installed, you can just run the game normally and it should work. But after joining or creating the world, make sure to right-click on the world or on the settings icon if you are creating a new one and toggle on the desired mods. Each world has to have the mods manually enabled. If you are going to join a friend's session, Hytale seems to be smart enough to automatically download the mods they are using, so that's really nice to see. A lot of the mods can be used by typing in commands similarly to Minecraft. You can also type in /help to get a list of all possible commands including from your mods. For example, I can type /advancedinfo to get a lot of information about all of the items in the game. Excuse my poor house, but here I also wanted to show you the /sethome command from one of our mods, with which you can teleport home each time you type /home. Here is also the book mod, miner's helmet mod with a flashlight, vector runes, and much more. And here is also how to install the Skyblock mod. This mod has a different method of installing since it's pretty much a save file. We can download it from the CurseForge, then I will save the file to my desktop. Now let's get back into the Hytale game folder. We can also get to it directly from the launcher. But here, instead of clicking on mods, we will choose saves. So here are all of your save files. We can also back up or save files from here if you are messing with some serious mods by just copying those folders and saving them in a secure location. We are going to install the Skyblock mod the same way. Just put the zip file into this folder and extract it using a tool like WinRAR, or even just the default Windows Extract All tool. Now we can delete the zip file and we can try out the Skyblock. And here it is. Some mods also come with configurable config files. We can find those in the actual save files of our worlds and not in the mods folder itself. So you will first have to toggle the desired mods for your world and load in with them at least once. Then, under the mods folder, you will see the config files. We can just open them using a notepad like this. Then you can change the desired settings and save the file. Removing mods completely is also pretty straightforward. You can just delete them in CurseForge or remove them from the mods folder. And that's all for this short tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!